I'm Sema Janatan. This is my final project for Human Factors in Artificial Intelligence course in Coursera by Duke University. My project topic is for the current situation, employees use cards for office access, but this method is vulnerable to security breaches due to lost, stolen, or shared key cards. My proposed solution replaces keycards with a facial recognition system, ensuring only authorized personnel can enter. I already explained the solution in my previous final project, so today we will focus on human factors of this project. This solution aligns with AI augmentation principles, where AI supports human decision making rather than replacing it. So we will include security personnel. He will still oversee access, but with reduced manual intervention. So if there is an issue with the recognition, face recognition, then they will intervene and also override AI decision to allow users to access in the building. The system is designed using a human-centered approach, ensuring that users' needs, privacy, and trust are prioritized throughout the development. For the task analysis part of the project, my problem statement, as we already talked, keycard-based access control is not entirely secure and can lead to unauthorized entry. Existing situations, employees need to carry or swipe their keycards. Security personnel must verify their identity in case of issues, and lost or stolen keycards require reissuance and causing delays and administrative effort. For the improvement, a face recognition system eliminates the need to carry a card. Employees can enter seamlessly and reducing entry time and improving user experience. Security personnel focus on monitoring instead of handling keycard issues. And AI augmentation ensures that humans remain in control, particularly in cases where the system encounters uncertainty. So for the design thinking principles, empathizing with users, defining pain points, and prototyping an initiative and efficient security system. We applied this solution. User experience design part. So user interaction, I think it is very straightforward. Employees will approach a scanner, face scanner, and the system will recognize their face and granting access if they authenticated. For key user experience considerations, so if inputs and feedback, of course we need their face data, facial data. We need to register them and confirm that identity at entry points. User receive visual and audio confirmation. Visual or audio confirmation. A confidence score can be displayed to indicate the model certainty. For the transparency perspective, employees will be informed about how the system works, what data is collected, and how it is processed. The user will have access to their recognition history. For communicating uncertainty, the system should indicate confidence levels in predictions and offer alternative verification methods such as manual checks by security personnel. We will keep human in the loop as we talked. Security personnel should have the ability to override incorrect decisions and ensuring fairness and accountability. Adhering the UX principles, so ensuring visibility, feedback, consistency, and affordancy in system and interactions. For the privacy consideration part of the project, data privacy concerns are facial data is sensitive, and it must be stored securely to prevent unauthorized access. Employees should have control over their biometric data. They can be opt-in, opt-out, or they can ask for data deletion upon departure. The system must adhere to fair information practices, ensuring proper data collection, usage, and retention policies. So we need to ensure privacy by design. So we shouldn't react after the breaches. we should include this privacy in the design of the process. Applicable privacy laws and obligations. So GDPR, of course, since facial data is sensitive data, GDPR is the first one. Employees must provide informed consent and data storage must be secure and limited to necessary use. So I live in UK. In here we have also UK Data Protection Act, ensures that proper handling of biometric data and requires transparency on data processing. Privacy by design, as we already talked, ensuring privacy is embedded in the system from the outset of implementing measures such as data minimization and access controls. And anonymization and encryption is a key point here. So this biometric data should be encrypted and anonymized, whereas wherever possible to mitigate risk of misuse. For the ethical consideration parts, we have some bias risks, like the model may have accuracy discrepancies across different demographics, potentially leading to unfair access denial. Training data should be diverse and regularly evaluated to prevent this bias. And fairness auditing should be conducted to ensure equal treatment across all user groups. So ethical AI principles, first is fairness. We need to ensure that this model is trained on diverse data sets to reduce bias and provide equal access to all employees. The second one is accountability. We need to establish a system for employees to report issues and appeal recognition failures. We need to be transparent. We have to clearly communicate how the system works, allow employees to review their stored biometric data. And for the ethical pre-mortem point, we will conduct proactive assessments of potential risks before deployment to address ethical concerns earlier. And human oversight, we will ensure that AI decisions can be reviewed and override by human security staff when necessary. The last one, mitigating algorithmic bias, we will implementing fairness auditing tools, diverse training data sets, and continuous monitoring. As a conclusion, so face recognition entry system enhances office security while streamlining access. By addressing usability, privacy, and ethical consideration, this solution ensures a secure and fair system for all employees. This project incorporates AI augmentation, fairness auditing, privacy by design, and transparency principles to maximize trust and adoption. It is a human-centered we applied human-centered approach, ensuring user needs are prioritized while minimizing AI-related risks. That is all. Thank you for your time.